right, today we're going to bring a closet space saver, and this is actually a rack that you could build and modify as you please. So we're going to take a look at it, and we're going to set it up, and we're going to demo it for you guys so you guys can see it, so you can fit it into your closet if you have the proper space. So let's go ahead and set it up. So this is pretty much what you get when you get it out of the box. All right, here's the final product, guys, if you guys can see. So let me demonstrate. You have this rack here in the bottom that you can move anywhere. You can remove it, but if you want to add a second layer, you could increase these. These racks, these actually poles extend longer, so you don't even need to have this one here holding it out. They could extend longer. You could add multiple clothes, and they give you two of them, so you could have them back to back if you want to, and just hang your clothes in here. This could even go over a laundry mat or in your closet like it's made for, but you could set up the racks any direction you want. If you want to have two stabilized racks, you have to have the top and the bottom. The middle one doesn't have to be there. You can move it over here and have up to 4 of them here. So you can have the bottom one, 1, 2, 3, and then the top 4. So it took us about like, I would say like 20 to 30 minutes to put together, but it was very simple. To grip in here, it could hold a lot of weight. To grip in here, you actually had to put plastics on top so it could lock in together. You got this mesh here that doesn't pass through that much. And if you have like anything smaller than this, I would recommend maybe putting a piece of cardboard or something on top. But if you're only going to use it for your closet and clothes, it's perfect for towels, blankets, and on top of that, you got extra hangers here. This is perfect. So this could be for your ties, your belts, and so forth. So I like the setup. It took us about, like I said, 30 minutes to put together. It's large. You can increase the size. You could decrease it. You can minimize it. You could use one if you want, or the 2. You guys can see that. And the poles, they give you an extra pole too. I have it in there. You could hang it in there. So very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.